This week, the Waco-McLennan County Public Health District celebrated National Public Health Week. This year's theme was Protecting, Connecting, and Thriving. We are all public health. The Health District hosted a variety of engaging activities focused on building a healthier community. The week featured informational booths at the Health District, a visit from Boss, an adoptable dog from the Humane Society of Central Texas. Later in the week, staff and residents rolled up their sleeves for community service projects and a fun rock painting activity. On Tuesday, April 2nd, Waco City Council presented the National Public Health Week proclamation, officially recognizing the importance of public health in our community. On Thursday, the Health District celebrated being named the Local Health Department of the Year by the Texas Association of City and County Health Officials. As National Public Health Week comes to a close, the Health District encourages everyone to embrace a spirit of collaboration and continue working together to make Waco and McLennan County an even healthier and safer place to live. The Waco-McLennan County Library and Art Center Waco helped Waco residents get ready for the Lights Over Waco Lantern Parade. The library and art center hosted free workshops to make custom lanterns ahead of the weekend eclipse event. At the first workshop, held at the West Waco Library, visitors created glowing globe lanterns. Other workshops offered opportunities to make bright bottle lanterns, gleaming geometric lanterns, and perfect paper lanterns. We can't wait to see your amazing creations at the Lights Over Waco Lantern Parade on Sunday, April 7th at the Suspension Bridge.